So how do you create a sitemap? If your sitemap's not already created, if you didn't go through the quick configuration, then you might be wondering, where is my sitemap and how do I create it? Luckily, if you've gone through the configuration, it would have already, SEO Press would have already created a sitemap for you. So to access your sitemap, click on SEO. You go to sitemap, XML, HTML sitemap. You will not have a sitemap if this option is not enabled. So the moment you enable this option, your sitemap is created. You already have one by default, right? So if you did the quick configuration, the magic configuration, then it's already created for you because you answered a couple questions on what content you want to be indexed. So the way it works is whatever you want to index, it's going to be shown on your sitemap. Whatever you don't want to be indexed on Google, it's not going to be shown on your sitemap, right? So once you click on this, there's general post type taxonomies, HTML sitemap. This we will go a little bit more in the next videos. But if you click on view your sitemap, then you will see what is already there created. So it's as simple as enabling the option and then making sure you click on view your sitemap. If you do not see a sitemap, it's pretty straightforward. You click on flush permalinks. Basically, WordPress will try to flush all the links. Just refresh it, and then once that's done, you click on view sitemap again. It should show up. Okay, so that's how you might be able to solve it if you're not seeing any sitemap right now. Once that's done, make sure you save your settings so that everything is there. Okay. Now, in the next video, we'll talk about how to control what is included in all of this or not, and how to enable, disable certain posts and categories and taxonomies from the sitemaps.